subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Hey everyone, today we are going to make this cute looking pom-pom teddy bear. So let's get started. Firstly, take around 10 centimeters in length of a cardboard and start wrapping the wool thread around it. Wrap it about 200 times. Now tie a knot and remove the cardboard. This is to make the head of the teddy. Let's tighten the knot now. Make sure the knot divides the wool into 2 equal parts. Now start cutting the wool. And now start trimming the pom-pom. This is how it looks fluffy. Similarly, wrap around 400 times the wool thread and repeat the same process. This is to make the body of the teddy. You can also use different colors to make different colored teddy bears like red, blue, green or any color of your choice. Now take a fork and wrap about 50 times and cut it out to make the tiny hands and legs of the pom-pom teddy bear. I made similarly 2 for hands, 2 for paws and 2 for ears. Now using the hot glue gun, stick the pom-poms together. Be careful while using it, it might burn your hand. So the less the wool, the thinner the pom-pom you can make. I also added a tiny pom-pom on its back to make it more cute. You're almost done. Now take some googly eyes and stick them to a teddy. Lastly, I added a red ribbon. So that's it. You're done. Your pretty pink pom-pom teddy bear is done. It is very cheap and easy to do. All you need is lots of wool. So do try it once. And that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do subscribe to my channel. Happy crafting!